Hello, this is Westgate Property Management and I am outside of 1729 Kearney Street in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located on in East Petaluma, just off of Washington Street. You can hear a plane, so it's close to the airport. Really sweet front yard, just adorable. Let's go in and take a look. So you come in, and to your left is the kitchen, which has been updated with a newer gas range, new cabinets, and newer appliances. Lots of storage. Just a nice bank of cabinets. Nice eat-in kitchen area. Access to the 2-car garage. It's really nice because that garage door is insulated and there is access to the side yard through the garage. Really large family/living room area. You could use this for several different applications. Access again to just the sweetest backyard. Nice sunny patio. Give you a view of the living room again. This is a really big room. The whole bathroom has been updated. This bedroom faces the front of the home. This one also faces the front of the home. I would say this room is the smallest of the 4. And then the master or primary suite. Bathroom with a separate toilet and shower combination, which is really nice. So somebody can get ready while somebody's in the shower. So again, this is 1729 Kearney Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.